concomitant medication,
One record for recorded intervention of constant interval dosing.
Interval per subject. What are the timing variables that we have? CM, STDTC, duration, STTPT, STRTPT, ENTPT,
One record for recorded intervention of constant interval dosing.
Interval per subject. What are the timing variables that we have? CM, STDTC, duration, STTPT, STRTPT, ENTPT. What are the values that we can find in ENRTPT? What values we can have in ENRTPT?
Before, after coincidence.
Ongoing, unknown. What is the algorithm for STD? If CM STDT is greater than or equal to RF STDT, then CM
STDT is equal to CM STDTC minus RF STDTC plus 1. Else, if CM STDTC less than RF STDTC, then CM STDY is equal to CM STDTC minus RF STDTC.
What is the variable that will show the correction between concomitant medication and adverse event?
CM indication.
CM indication INDC. When we will have value in CM status?
When pretext is there and occurred missing, then we have status and not done.
When CM pre-specify is equal to Y, but CM occur is equal to missing value, then CM status is going to have ND. What is the dictionary that we use to generate the T code, CM T code? WHO dictionary. What is the version that we are using right now? 13.1. So these are the variables that we have seen in the last class. On my desktop, I have Srinivas clinical folder. In that I have SGDM folder. In that we have a folder called series underscore 2017 underscore raw. In this folder I have all the datasets, raw datasets. I want to access all these datasets. You know what we should do? We should create a library. Copy as path. Go to the program. With name, library reference name, and then the path of the folder. Semicolon. Select this one line. Execute this one line. We are going to have library. But generally, before start writing up this code, whatever the log window, editor window that we have, log window we have, I want to clean all the log window. Remember what was the statement you should write, what is the procedure you should write if you want to clean the log window? I want to write it programmatically. Proc datasets, I want to clean all the work library. Proc datasets library is equal to, library name is work library. What I want to kill? I want to kill the work library. So library is equal to work, kill. You know what the kill option will do? It will delete all types of SAS files, catalogs, view files, datasets, everything will be get killed. Okay, this is the procedure that we write, and then we are going to start writing our code. And I do not want to have any listing. If you do not want to have any listing, what is the option you should write now? You should write the option. Okay, now I'm creating a library. First of all, I'm deleting all the previous history of work library, and then after that, I'm creating a library called raw library, and here we have all the datasets. Okay, now once you have all the datasets with you, now where we should start writing the code. And I told you again in the real time, you can get that information through specification. Since we do not have any specification, I'm going to tell you, here we have a raw dataset called CM. From here we can start our code. If I open this one, now this is how we have. We have only 7 observations, but in this we have a variable called study. How we need to change the study into? Study ID. Having a subject. So study, site and subject, we should create a U subject ID. Then we have a SP ID to change that into sponsor ID. TRT topic variable CM TRT, CM decode, CM indication, and then we should have a CM dose. And then after that dose text, CM dose units, dose form, and CM root. And then we have a class code and CM class text, so CM class. And then we have a WHO dictionary version. We do not require this variable in the CM dataset. We should submit that in a supplementary dataset. And we have a start date and a start time too, or different variables. We have to concatenate both, and we should generate a CM STDTC. And then we have an end date and end time. What we need to do? We have to concatenate them, and we should create CM ENDTC. Later, we should go to the DM dataset that what we have done in our previous session, get the RF STDTC, and then create CM STDY, CM ENDY, and then CM duration. And then we should generate STRTPT, STTPT, ENRTPT, and ENTPT. We'll see that one later. First, we will see what and all the variables possible that we can do it from raw data set. We'll create those variables. Understand this one, everybody? Now, I want to get the list of all the variables. So, if you want to get the short list of all the variables, so what is the process that we write down? We are going to write a top content.
Short.
Top content. Then the data is equal to all libraries, CM data set. Now I'm writing a short and a random. Random is going to give variables in creation order. Dot is going to give the short list. Now if I put the program, I'm going to get all the variable names in the log window. Sorry, in output window. I'm copying all the variable names now, and I'm going to put it together in the commentation of a data window so that I can have all the variables here. So, all the variables. Now tell me what we should do now. I'm going to start writing the code now. So first of all, I'm creating data CM. So from where we should create this one? Raw libraries CM data set. And what is the first variable we should have? Study ID. Now I'm writing
Study ID.
study ID. Study ID is equal to, now simply I'm writing state. What is the variable that we have? Study. I'm copying that variable. I'm going to keep it here. Okay. And the second variable that we should have in a domain. Domain is equal to CM. Because it's a concomitant medication, it should be CM. Semicolon. Then we should have USUPJ ID, unique subject identifier. You know that it is a concatenated product of which three variables? Study,
Study, site, subject.
subject. Do we have a site here? Remember?
No.
Telling in the starting onwards, use subject is a combination of which three variables? Study ID, hyphen symbol, site ID, hyphen symbol, SUPJ ID. This is, in some studies, the sponsor will tell you it doesn't want to have a site ID. In the scenario, simply it is going to be concatenated product of study ID and subject. But in our project, I want to take all the three study ID and then I want to take study ID and the subject ID also. And I want to separate all the three values by hyphen symbol. Okay? Only studies are linear and hyphen symbol based low. Forward slash for this number. It depends on the sponsor and the study. Clear everybody? Now I want to create a use subject study. I have a variable called study. I'm going to take that one first of all. So now I'm writing, strip off study. Double type symbol. What I want to have? I want to have an icon symbol. Again, double type symbol. Now do we have a site ID here? We don't have.
No.
Now I want to get the site ID. Generally, say for example, 101, like I have subject ID 101, 102, 103 like that. Okay. In general, most of the studies are going to multi-center. If it is a multi-center, how we are going to have site ID now? So for example, here I have a site ID 01 for 101 subject. And for 102 also, it is 01 only. But 103, the clinical trial is going on like, in Bangalore or somewhere. So the Bangalore site ID is 02. In such scenario, what is going to happen? Different subjects are going to have different site IDs. Because most of the studies are multi-center. Understand this one? But in our study, if I go to the TM data setup, and if I go to the TM data setup, but can you see what is the site that we have for all the 36 subjects? Say, center 00001. If it is a different one, if it's changing from one subject to another subject, what we should do? We should merge this data set with our CM data set, and then that is how we should get this site into CM data set. But anyway, for all the 36 subjects, the center is same. The site is same. What I'm going to do, I'm going to copy this value, and I'm going to hardcode this one in my program now. Within the quotations, I'm writing the center 00001. Understand? For example, we cannot hardcode this one. We should merge the TM data set with this data set. Understand this what I'm saying? Now we have a center ID, then double type symbol. I want to have hyphen symbol, I'm writing hyphen symbol, then double type symbol. What we need to concatenate now? We need to concatenate subject. I'm copying this one, I'm going to paste it over here. Now keep a semicolon. I want to execute up to this point because I'm creating three variables. We'll execute the program. I will go to the work library. In the work library, now we have a CM data set. If I go to the end of the data set, so can you see we have three variables? One is study ID, domain, use subject ID. That is okay, but there are a lot of spaces. I want to check what happened. I go to the log window. Now this is the issue that we have. Can you see what we have now? Numerical values have been converted into character values at the places given by. Do you know why we got this error? It's not because this is issue. Anybody?
IDs, numerical values.
So subject is actually, in our data we have a numerical, we use that one for double type symbol, character function. Whenever you use a numerical variable for character function, this is the node that we get. We should not have this node in the data. How to avoid this node? We should convert the subject into character. How to convert this subject into character variable? By using a put function, put of subject to comma, how much does we want to have now we should write it. Every time I want, I'll write up, what is the subject, how much that we have subject in area? I think we have 1 up to 1. Now 4 is enough, but anyway I'm going to use the function. Now I'm going to specify 8 character. 8 character and close the parentheses. And before concatenating, I'm stripping that both leading and current spaces I'm writing strip off. Okay, now select the program, execute the program, we are going to have a CM data set. If I'm trying to create a use subject by using catex function, even the subject is a numerical variable, it will not show any error. That advantage with the catex function. Of course, the length is going to be 200. Even though one of the variables is a numerical variable, it will not show any error in the log. Understand this one? No. So what the next one we should have? We should have a CM sequence. We'll do that for CM sequence later, and then we see what are the possible variables that we can do it from here. Already we have done, study subject, we use it. Then we have an SPID. How we should change that into? CM sponsor ID. CM SPID is equal to, I'm writing strip of SPID. This is the variable that we have. I'm taking that one. Then PRT, it is a topic variable. I want to have it as a CM. PRT is equal to PRT. And by the way, so you may have a leading and trend spaces. I want to remove that one. Again, I'm writing strip of PRT. Okay. And sometimes, of course, the PRT is a topic variable. It is a required variable. We should not have any missing values. So to avoid missing values, what we should write? If PRT not equal to, not equal to missing value, then CM PRT is equal to strip of PRT. I want to filter the data, so I'm writing like this. Then the next one is the decode. Now CM decode is equal to, now I'm writing strip of the variable that we have in the decode. I'm taking the D. By the way, we have done with the TRT also, I'm taking the one out. Then we have a CM indication. CM INDC is equal to what we have? Indication. Now I'm writing strip of INDC. Then we have a dose related variables. Now I want to have a variable called CM dose is equal to, it is a strip of dose. Anybody in the area, dose is a numerical character variable? And then why we can write a CM dose? Strip function, we cannot do that one, dose. Then CM dose text is equal to, we have a dose text, I'm taking that one. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to use now strip function. Now I'm getting strip alpha dose text. And CM dose units is equal to, now I'm getting strip alpha dose units. Then after that one, CM dose FRM dose form is equal to, we have form, I'm getting strip alpha form. And CM root is equal to, because CM dose total and CM regimen or any permissible variables, if they have given, we are going to take it, otherwise we don't need to worry. And of course, we used to have, in the guidelines we have already remember, CM pre-specified, CM occurrence, CM status, reason attend. Do we have those variables given the data set? No. Anyway, those are the permissible variables, if they have given, we are going to take it, otherwise we don't need to worry about that one. Then I want to have a CM class CD. Class CD is equal to, I think strip alpha, now I'm going to specify CM CD. And then CM class is equal to, now we have a name, strip alpha, CMD text. We don't require double structure derivation, we'll do that one later. Now we have STDT and STDM. What we need to do? We should concatenate both and we should create CM STDT. Now can I write this one? CM STDT is equal to, what is the first one that we have? STDT, double pipe symbol. You know, date is given in ISO format. So we should have a capital D, double pipe symbol. What we need to have? Start time, STDM. Okay, now see, I'm selecting the program up to this one. I'm executing this one. Now go to the CM dataset, go to the end of the dataset. Now this is the situation. To go to the log window, I have a numerical value that will convert it into character. I'll show you one thing. You know, we have a start date. Now can you see how we have the start date? Elapsed number of days, and we have a start time, and this is the character, and we have a time type format. What should I do? First, we need to convert this into character, and now this is also character. Now this is going to be character. Then only we can concatenate. By the way, how to convert the date into character? How to convert it into character? Put out STDT. We come here format కావాలండి. IS A601 DA dot format కావాలి. Okay. Now I'm selecting the program. Into the program. Now we have a CM. Open the data set. Go to the end. Now this is the problem that we have. You know, we should have a capital D. Then we have a date and time. Then only we should concatenate capital D. When you have only date, we should not concatenate capital D. We should keep it as an only date. Date to time రెండు ఉన్నప్పుడు capital D concatenate అవ్వాలండి. Date ఒకటే ఉంటే we should have only the date. Then tell me what is the condition that you will write now. If STDT not equal to numerical variable null value and STDM character variable not equal to missing value, then to CM STDT is equal to like this one. Now I am writing end else. Else equal STDT not equal to null value and STDM equal to missing value, then do and do CM STDT is equal to only put off STDT comma IS 8601 PA dot. అంటే డేట్ టైం రెండు ఉంటే కనుక రెండు కంటాక్ట్ చేసి మధ్య క్యాపిటల్ పెట్టండి. డేట్ ఒకటి టైం లేకపోతే should have only date. Now end మరి డేట్ టైం రెండు లేకపోతే అండి else if STDT equal to null value and STDM equal to null value, then CM STDT is equal to missing value. STDT is equal to missing value. Get everybody? నేను నాట్ ఈక్వల్ టు నల్ రాస్తాను కదండి, ఇది ఎలా కూడా రాయించండి. STDT ఇలా రాయకుండా ఏం చేస్తాను చూడండి. We have a function called missing. Not missing what? STDT. And not missing. ఇలా కూడా రాయించండి. missing అనేది both numerically వేరు రాయించండి, క్యారెక్టర్ వేరు కూడా రాసుకోవచ్చు. సో నాట్ ఈక్వల్ టు మిస్సింగ్, నాట్ ఈక్వల్ టు డాట్ సింబల్ నల్ పెట్టేప్పుడు ఏమైతే ఇప్పుడు నాట్ మిస్సింగ్ కూడా రాయించండి. Missing is a function. It works on both numerical data and character data. When we have a date and then we have a capital date, then we have a date only, we have a date. Make it what you mentioned? Not missing. If I look at the one. Now we have done with the start date and time. Now we should have an end date and time. End date and time given to చూడండి ఇక్కడ. ENDT, ENDM. But also branch చెప్పండి. End date character ఉందో చూడండి. ఎలా కెమెరా బేస్ లో ఉంది, న్యూమరికల్ ఉందండి. End time time 5 ఫార్మాట్ లో ఎలా ఉందో చూడండి. క్యారెక్టర్. మరి ఏం చేద్దాం ఇప్పుడు? Problem ఏంటంటే sometimes we have values, sometimes we do not have values. మరి వాల్యూస్ లేనప్పుడు కూడా I do not want to perform that operation. So what should I do? చెప్పండి కండిషన్ ఏమవుతాయి ఇప్పుడు? If
missing ENDT
ENDT
and missing ENDT
and not missing NPM into ఏం చేయాలండి? ENDT is equal to put off ENDT comma IS 8601 PA dot double pipe symbol capital D next ఏం చేయాలండి? double pipe symbol ENTM because that is the calculator. Else if not missing ENDT and missing ENTM into CM ENDT is equal to open the parenthesis ENDT comma IS 8601 DA dot double pipe symbol capital D double pipe symbol ENTM. Else if missing ENTT and missing ENTM, then do what we should do? CM ENTT is equal to missing value.
Sir, in the second line, there is no need of concatenation also. If there is a missing value of ENT.
Yes.
Sir, I'm missing spelling sound.
Where?
In the second direct step also. Found.
Fundamental and outdated character. CM? Class A, huh? Class is a character, no? Class is also a character, right? You see that? Okay. We have got STD, CM, STD, CM, NTDC. The next thing that what we need to do is we should get the RF STDC so that we can generate STD by ENT. RF is a second generation of DM, but unfortunately, I do not have a DM data set. If you do not have a DM data set, from where we can get this one? DM data set, can you put your idea on that? From exposure. So in the raw folder, we have EX data set. In the EX data set, we have information like this one. And I told you, if each and every subject is taken in the multiple doses, so multiple times. So which one is RF STDC? The first one, 1001 first one, 1005 first one, and for each and every subject, the first observation, date, whatever the date that we have, this is RF STDC. Now tell me what should I do?
If first dot subject is equal to.
I'm sorting the data. The sort data is equal to right now. Where we have that one in the raw library. The data set that we have EX. Out is equal to. I want to have it as an EX1. By which variables, I'll show you. In this we have a study variable, subject variable, and the date variable. The date variable that we have is sorted. These are the three variables that I want to use for sorting. Now I'm writing this one. By study, subject, start date. So the data is going to get sorted, and then we are going to have in the white library we are going to have a data set called EX1. And by the way, we don't require all the variables. What are the variables that we require? For merging purpose, we require study, subject, and what are the variables that we require? RF STDC start. I want to have only three variables. What do you want me to know? Now I'm going to use keep option because it's a broad step. I can use only keep option. Keep. I want to have a study, I want to have a subject, and I want to have a start date. And by the way, see, if I do the program, in the EX1 I'm going to have only those three variables, but in the first observation I have a missing value. I do not want to have that missing value observation. Tell me, what should I do in the same option? Where is equal to? Open the parenthesis. So what is the condition you want to write? Subject not equal to null value. Because it's a numerical variable, I'm writing not equal to null. We have EX1. Okay, but the problem here is 100 has got 15 observations, 105 has got 15 observations, and so on and so on. I don't require, I want to have only the first observation of each and every subject. If you want to have first observation, then what we should do? First, but if you want to have first observation, then we should have this one in the data step. I'm creating a variable called data set called RF STD. Sit and create it from there. EX1, by taking the same count variables, by study, subject, and start date. And I'm writing the run statement. Now select the program executed. I'm going to have an RF STD data set. Now, by what do you know? I'm writing an addition if first data started something. Because I want to have each and every subject only first observation. Now we have an RF STD, and as you see, we have only 36 observations. And by the way, I do not require start date, date, and time completely. And by the way, I want to have this only for calculation purpose. I want to have only numerical date part. But only numerical date part of whatever range I let it go. Now I'm creating an intermediate variable called RF STD is equal to. Calculation of function of the input. Open the parenthesis, save variable start date, comma, IS86, 01, PA. Now the date and time are only PA.RTL got only. I'm going to date. But by the way, which variables I want to have? I want to have a study and subject for merging purpose. And I want to have RF. We do not require any more start date. If you do not require what you can do, simply we can drop that variable. Drop out. What the variable I want to drop it? Start. Select the program executed. Start date has been dropped. Now we are going to have the remaining three variables. Next thing now I want to merge this one with the my data set, which is C. How to merge it? Before merging, I'm so we need to sort by common variable. Drop sort data is equal to CM by the variables. We have a common variable by study and subject. I'm writing the run set. In the second by I'm a prop sort data is equal to data set name RF STD. Data is equal to everything RF STD by the variables by any common variable study subject. After merging the data set. Is equal to this data. I want to have a CM1 data set. In this merge CM is equal to A. Second secondary RF STD is equal to B by common variables. What are the common variables? By study and subject. If you in a step create table CM2 and select start from CM. You have to join RF STD on CM dot study is equal to RFSTD call dot spec. And similarly, CM dot submit is equal to RFSTD dot order by study. This is the course that you can make. Even in the test, in the class note on the test correct. हम आपको वेरिएबल्स में हम बताएंगे करेंगे. CM1 is the base as, CM2 is the scale, and we have the same thing. But you don't require anything. A1 is enough. After timing, I'm not using this one because some of you might not be aware of the scale. Once you have completed the advanced aspects, then you complete. That is fine. Now what we should do? Now RFS is the can you tell me in CM1 data set which variable contains CM STD numerator? CM STD numerator ఏ వేరియబుల్ ఉంది? ఏ వేరియబుల్ ఉందండి? STD. ఇప్పుడు RFS numerator మనకి ఏం ఉందండి? RFS numerator. Now I want to generate CM STD. We have online students whose name starts with A. A letter name starts with another class. Do we have anybody whose name starts with A? No? Nobody with it? Yes, sir, my name is Ashok. Ashok, can you help me to write the code for CM STD? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Do you have anybody with the name letter starting with K? STD is greater than RFSTD DC, then CM STD equal to CM STD minus RFSTD plus 1. Else we can do direct minus. What is plus 1? Why we should have plus 1? Like if the value CM STD is greater than RFSTD, like if you negative value, sir. Why we should have 0? Why we should have 1? Plus 1. Plus 1 like remember that like if the CM STD value is greater than RFSTD DC, means like we'll be getting them negative values because of that we are adding up with 1. Anybody is going to agree with him?
If you get 0, you should not get 0 in CM STD so that
and both are same, there is a chance of having a study at 0. According to computer algorithm, study at 0. So to avoid such thing, if it is greater than or equal to what we are plus. Now your answer must be. Now tell me, if what is the general algorithm? If CM STD DC greater than or equal to RF STD DC, then CM STD by is equal to CM STD DC minus RF STD DC plus 1. Okay? Else, if CM STD DC less than RF STD DC, then CM STD by is equal to CM STD DC minus RF STD DC. Now can somebody tell me how we have in our data CM STD DC? We have it as an STD. Yeah, algorithm depends on STD DC and now I'm on the numerical format available. That is called. Now I'm replacing every time STD DC with the STD because this is the numerical variable that we have. Now how we have RF STD in our data now? RF STD. Now I'm replacing RF STD DC with the RF STD. You know why we have minus 1 here both? Because these two people, they started their communication before treatment started. Before treatment started. Before the RF STD. That's why we have an into that. Into study day. My pro next is now CM ENTY. By ENTY this one is calculated. If CM ENTY greater than or equal to RF ENTY, then CM ENTY is equal to CM ENTY minus RF ENTY, right? Plus
EDTC, sir.
What EDTC? Else if CM ENTY less than RF ENTY, then CM ENTY is equal to CM ENTY minus RF ENTY. Anybody is going to contradict with my statement? Why not RF ENTY?
Treatment and data. We need to take treatment.
Why we should take only RF? Why not RF ENTY? That is my question. Tell me the study day.
Because it is last day of the treatment.
Now last day of this book. According to clinical study, what is study day 1? So study day 1 and reference and if you have this one, RF is this one. So మీరు RF ENTY calculate చేస్తారు కానీ ఏం తీసుకోవాలంటే నేను ఇప్పుడు కూడా RF తీసుకోవాలి. ఎందుకంటే RF నథింగ్ బట్ స్టడీ డే 1. అప్పటి నుంచి మనం ఏదో లేదా క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేస్తాం. దట్ ఇస్ STD or ENTY. We should always take RF STD. మరి మన దగ్గర RF STD numerical format ఏంటో ఉందండి. RF STD. Okay, don't confuse with the ENTY కదా RF ENTY తీసుకోవాలని అనుకోమాకండి. దేనికైనా మనం ఏం తీసుకుంటామంటే STD calculate చేస్తాం కంపల్సరీగా RF STD తీసుకోవాలి. ఏం చేసి మన దగ్గర ఉందండి. ENTY ఎంత ఉంది అంటే నేను ప్రాబ్లమ్ వస్తుంది ప్రోగ్రామ్ ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ చేస్తాను. ENTY calculate అయిపోతుంది. దట్ ఈస్ గుడ్. Missing values were generated as a result of performing an operation on missing values. Each case is given by. You know why we got this? Note here we have missing values. Here we have null value. Null value with the operation just about null value generate out the range. So here ENTY not equal to null and RFSTD also not equal to null and only 2. Else 2. Okay. CM ENTY is equal to keep it. Okay. If STD not equal to null and RFSTD not equal to null, then 2. And else CM STDY is equal to null. Make a bicycle CM sequence for generate the how to generate CM sequence? Retain CM sequence initial value 0 if first to dot subject. And CM sequence is equal to else of CM sequence is equal to CM sequence plus 1. That is also we got it. Okay.
ये इतना ये है एक एक इसके बारे में पूछा
this is can we generate the CM sequence also real time हम थोड़ा चेक कर लेंगे but CM चला चलेंगे CM generate
CM divided by STDY plus 1.
this is the definition part of series event అది మీరు చేసిన వచ్చేస్తుంది కానీ చిన్న ప్రాబ్లం ఉంది చూడండి
आज दूध आया
this is the note I'm getting again ఎందుకంటే ఈ డివేలో అక్కడ రెండు ప్లేసెస్ మిస్సింగ్ వాల్యూస్ ఉన్నాయి ఇక్కడ ఈ మిస్సింగ్ వాల్యూస్ ఉన్నాయి STDY మైనస్ STDY చేస్తారు కదా అక్కడ ఫార్మింగ్ ఆటోమేటిక్ ఆపరేషన్ ఇస్ మిస్సింగ్ డేటా సో ఇన్ ద లాగిన్ లో ఐ గెట్ ఎ నోట్ రేంజ్ ఎంత ఇప్పుడు నౌ ఐ విల్ రైట్ దిస్ if CM STDY not equal to null value and CM ENDY not equal to null value then to else to engineering CM duration is equal to null value. Now you will not get what is the problem? It is specified. Why we have the error anybody? Because of this I got the error. Now, this is my study time frame. I'm starting treatment here somewhere. I'm stopping the treatment somewhere here. But we are discussing about the concurrent medication. Maybe the subject, they may start the concurrent medication well before the treatment getting started. We have seen already in the CM1, if you see the first two observations, but when they started the treatment, concurrent medication, one person, he started almost 5 months back, and the second person, he started almost 2 years back. Minus 667 definitely almost 2 years. And this guy started 5 months back. So I cannot take all the information. So what I want to do before my treatment starting, I want to take one reference date. Okay, I want to take one reference date. And this reference date is called what? And treatment అయిపోయిన తర్వాత ఇంకా వాడుతూ ఉండొచ్చు ట్రీట్మెంట్ అయిపోయిన తర్వాత ఏం చేస్తాను ఇప్పుడు రెఫరెన్స్ ఎండ్ పాయింట్ తీసుకుంటాను దాన్ని ఏం చెప్పారు గుర్తుంది ఏం చెప్పారు గుర్తుందండి STDPT బేస్ చేసుకుని CM ఎస్టిమేషన్ పక్కన ఏం తీసుకొస్తాను ఇప్పుడు STRTPT using NTPT and NTPT what are you going to because STRTPT దగ్గర before coincidence ఆప్షన్ ఉంది అది ఏం ఆర్టికల్ ఉంటుందండి before coincidence so in the real time in the specification they will clearly mention which data should take it as STDPT which data should take it as the NTPT but in today's class what I'm going to do if we have any time screening period take the screening period ఎక్కడ ఉంటే కనుక ఏ రోజైతే స్క్రీనింగ్ చేసామో ఆ డేట్ STDPT తీసుకోండి అంటే ఏదైతే ఫాలో అప్ డేట్ ఉందో టేక్ ద ఫాలో అప్ డేట్ అది NTPT ఏ టైం తీసుకోవాలండి ఫాలో అప్ డేట్ ఇప్పుడు స్క్రీనింగ్ డేట్ ఫాలో అప్ డేట్ ఎక్కడ ఉన్నాయి సో మన స్టడీ ఎక్కడ అంటే ఆల్రెడీ we have seen that one we have screening date and follow up date in a data set called subject periods. Each and every subject how many periods they have? Say for example 100 as screening, essential period 1, essential period 2, unscheduled 2, then we have the follow up. Now when we have a screening, whatever that start date that we have, take this as STDPT. And whenever we have the follow up, take this end date as the NTPT. Tell me what the program that you will get. దీని STDPT తీసుకోండి దీని NTPT తీసుకోండి ఏం చేయమంటారు కండిషన్ ఏమంటారు సరే simple way yesterday I'm creating two data sets start and I'm creating both the data sets from the library yes we data set now I'm writing if is it is equal to yes correct it is equal to bh now screening
then output start
if this is equal to
follow up then
output కొంచెం జాగ్రత్తగా కూడా అనుకోండి ఇది ఒకటే కదండి ఏమి చదువుకోదా నాకు నేను ఏంటుంది STDPT ID ఉందని STDPT ID not equal to null value and visit not equal to null value then false అలాగే ఇక్కడ కూడా ఇప్పుడు STDPT ID not equal to null value and visit not equal to null value then false but by the way what variables that you require in start and end we require study subject first data set variable required start second data set required and అవి తీసుకున్నాం కదా దానికోసం ఏం చేయాలి ఇప్పుడు స్టార్ట్ పక్కన ప్యారెంట్స్ it is equal to study STDPT ID కానీ మనకి సబ్జెక్ట్ ఎలా కావాలి తెలుసండి మధ్య చేయాలంటే CM లో సబ్జెక్ట్ ఏం ఉందండి సబ్జెక్ట్ ఉంది సో దానికోసం ఏం చేస్తాను చూడండి రీనేమ్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు ఓపెన్ ద ప్యారెంథసిస్ STDPT ID ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు సబ్జెక్ట్ అలాగే నాకు స్టార్ట్ ఎలా కావాలండి డాట్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు CM STDPT అలాగే ఎన్ని చేద్దాం ఇప్పుడు
keep
ఓకేనా क्या keeping
end date
instead of starting what we keep
end date NTPT
and it is equal to CM
NTPT
I'm setting the program executing. Now I go to the white library. In the white library, we are going to have two data sets. In the start, we have study subject STDPT. In the end data set, we have study subject NTPT. Yes, we have the variables. So then what we should do, we should merge this variable, this data set, this data set, C. Now, generally, we get the plot data is equal to what the first data set we have, CM1 by study subject. These are the common variables. Then, so I'm copying the same program. The second thing I want to sort is stop. Only data set is different. Variables are common. I'm getting it. This is the program. We are going to have all the data sets going to get sorted now. Non-creating data CM2. Merge. I want to have all the data from CM1 in is equal to A and then start and then next. Ini juga ada indicate represent outlet. Represent sudah kawan aku ini kita automatic values from start and end. Now by common variables yang lain, by study
Study subject.
and if we look right, this is CM1. Okay, and now this is start. Okay, now this is end. Kita akan baca sekarang rumah. Represent end. Watch. Watch with end. Ini tu one just start. Kita one number ini apa yang sebenarnya? Kita buat one number ada problem. One itu 6 point kita. We can end. One just 6 point end. Okay, అంటే ఏమవుతుంది 22 అంటే కన్ఫర్మేషన్ మీకు తెలుసు there is a chance of having multiple observations because one recorder if I enter it in a current space okay ఇక్కడ 7 observations ఒకసారి real time లో అన్ని observations ఉంటాయి so that is going to be many to one merge అవుతుంది now select the program executed we have a CM2 data set open the CM2 if you go to the end of the data set but can you see what we have now STDPD yes correct but what we need to calculate now
STDPD
but STDPD calculation ఏ వేరియబుల్స్ ఉన్నారండి STDPD CM STDPD మనకి ఏం ఉందో న్యూమరికల్ వేరియబుల్ గుర్తుందా మీకు CM STDPD న్యూమరికల్ వేరియబుల్ ఏం ఉంది
CMSTD.
Numerical variable of CMSTD.
STDT.
STDT. మరి ఇప్పుడు ఇది కూడా numerical ఉంది కదా ఎలా ఉంది ఇది కరెక్ట్ దీని కూడా numerical కన్వర్ట్ చేయాలి how to convert that into numerical I'm creating a variable called start is equal to input of CMSTDPT comma ISAC01 DA dot మరి ఎందుకు ఇంకో create and is equal to ఇది ఏం చేద్దాం మళ్ళీ input of CMENTPT comma ISAC01 DA dot now we are going to have two variables both are numerical variables. Now we have a start and two numerical variables. Now we can do arithmetic calculation. Now tell me what the first one we generate now. CM STDPD. First two, suppose a significant calculation is defined. If CM STDPD is less than
CM STDPD. Then CM STDPD is equal to before.
Answer. If CM STDPD equal to STDPD, then CM STDPD is equal to
coincidence.
Answer. If CM STDPD greater than CM STDPD, then CM STDPD is equal to
After.
Right? Length and function STRTPD. Before first step, the 6,000 points is completed. What will I do? Length function CM STRTPD dollar I'll give 50. Okay, ENRTPD. Sorry, STDPD. Sorry, numerical market no. STDPD. And this is also STDPD name only. Sorry, create the numerical. How to generate CM ENRTPD? If CM ENDTC less than CM ENDTC, then CM ENDTC is equal to before. Else, if CM ENDTC equal to CM ENDTC, then CM ENRTPD is equal to
ongoing circumstance.
So by that, coincidence. Else, if CM ENDTC greater than CM ENDPD, then CM ENRTPD is equal to after. Ongoing development.
If CM STDPD is not equal to missing,
start at the value A, and later the value like ongoing. If CM STDPD not equal to null value, and CM ENDTC equal to null value, then CM ENRTPD is equal to ongoing. If CM STDPD equal to null value and CM ENDTC equal to null value, then CM ENRTPD is equal to unknown. Because in ENDTC తీసుకుంటాం ENDTC మాత్రం స్టార్ట్ డేట్ ఎండ్ తీసుకుంటాం మరి ఇప్పుడు ENDTC మనకి ఎలా ఉందండి ENRTPD ఎలా ఉందండి this is ENDT and this is end and this is and we have STDT this is also STDT this is ENDT and this is also and the statement CM ENRTPD dollar symbol 50 చూడండి ఎనర్జీ లేదు ఎంత ఆన్గోయింగ్ ఉంది ఇవన్నీ బిఫోర్ దట్ ENRTPD ఉంది చూడండి everybody so these are the things that we have done so far we'll see I think we have done almost everything we'll see how to create a supplement data set in tomorrow's class okay and then we'll see the other things I'm playing the log window make it in the program again go to the log window check if you have any warnings issues notes errors don't have anything it looks clear
दीदी गैस हो जाए
Clear, everybody? Okay, then see you in tomorrow's class. See you tomorrow.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
डोर के बाहर हाँ अरे यहाँ है दीदी ये उतनी दूर कहीं को गए तुम यहाँ है ऐसा बताइए ना बहुत है